Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another video. My friends, I showed you a little while ago that my A10, the filament runout sensor, the little piece that it attaches with, snapped off. So then I was working on 3D printing a part. If you look here at my screen, you can see I've got like 6 different projects where I've been building this. I finally got one that I'm ready to share with you. If we tinker it, let me show you what I built. So I was working on one that was laying down, but I ended up scrapping that and going to this one that is vertical, where I add these tiny little supports. These pieces right here are only 1.5 millimeter long. The whole print prints in less than an hour at 0.3 millimeter settings. If you wanted to do finer settings, it would take a little bit longer and maybe turn out better, but I found that this works fine with mine, and I'm pretty happy with it. So the part that's kind of neat is your filament runout sensor just slides in here, and I've got a little bit of the handle left, so that slides through and kind of snaps it in place. And then I added this print in place bearing. So this prints with the outside, and I'm going to hide that for just a second. And you can see here the inside piece. If we zoom in on that with fit to view, it is shaped so that it prints in place without anything touching. These little pieces just help it be a cleaner print. If you did it slower than me, I do it at 60 millimeters per second, and I get a little bit of dripping. But after I use it for a little while it all gets smooth, and it starts working like a pretty decent little bearing. Later today, I'm going to post the file up on Thingiverse, so if anybody else needs one, you can have it. And I hope you had fun. Right now, let's head over to the printer and see what it looks like in place. Alrighty, friends, so if your wife ever asks, or somebody at your business says, why do you need 2 printers? Well, of course, you need the second printer so that you can print the first. This is the U50 from AlphaWise. You can see these little supports are nice and long. They're easy to just peel off. You can also clip them so that it gives you a nice smooth bottom. And then once you've got them removed, this is my favorite part of this whole project. That little gear, or that little bearing, is ready to roll, and then you can go slide the device on using that groove. So let's go see how it all fits. Alright, friends, so here is the part that I created yesterday, and I decided that was a little shorter. This is the one that was too close. Here are the first couple ideas that I bailed on, and here is that final one that we made. Remember, it's got this groove that simply slides on just like that, fits nice and snug. There is a hole so you can connect the screw that came with it. My screw's down here below. It looks just like this, but I'm going to connect that later because putting my arms in front of the video is overrated. And then with my filament, let's reload it. One nice thing about having it off is you can actually push your filament faster when you're first loading it. But then you can slide it back on and lock it in place when you're done. When you got the filament going, you can see it works just like that. And it's got a much better angle for the filament to enter the extruder. Alright, friends, so here you can see this is printing with the brown filament. It's got the sweet little bearing that is pulling it through. Filament is all working like you'd expect. And this student's top that we're printing today is turning out pretty darn sweet. I'm calling that a success. You can look for the print on Thingiverse. Alrighty, friends, so hopefully you find that useful. If you do, you can find the link on Thingiverse. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.